Today, I am excited to share with you a remarkable development in the world of aviation and maintenance, the introduction of the world's first radial space frame structure hangar and green MRO concept. Aircraft maintenance is an indispensable part of the airline industry. While we have witnessed the growth of numerous MRO, maintenance, repair, and overhaul facilities worldwide, there is an ever-present need to enhance their design, layout, and structure to improve efficiency. This innovative concept brings together top architects who have meticulously designed a maintenance hangar facility that addresses all aspects of efficiency. The facility comprises distinct areas, including the main hangar, parts room, engine shop, avionics shop, and paint room. These areas are strategically arranged for easy access by technicians, reducing the time spent moving from one section to another and thereby increasing overall efficiency. In stark contrast to traditional rectangular hangars, where only one aircraft can be moved in and out at a time, this radial space frame structure hangar offers a circular design. This design innovation allows for the simultaneous accommodation of multiple large-body aircraft and narrow-body aircraft. This not only saves space but also opens up opportunities to create more facilities, including component maintenance. Efficiency is at the core of this concept. In a conventional rectangular hangar, maintenance personnel often spend considerable time checking in and out, leading to delays in their tasks. However, the radial space frame structure hangar centralizes administrative functions, spare parts storage, special tools, and more, significantly reducing the time spent on administrative tasks. Additionally, it provides management teams with a centralized vantage point to oversee operations. Moreover, the facility offers a comprehensive range of services, including aircraft interior overhaul, repair, and reconfiguration, covering aspects such as carpet, seats, IFES, in-flight entertainment systems, galley, lavatory, LOPA, layout of passenger accommodations, design and prototyping, CAD modeling, alterations, repairs, certifications, and testing. Efficiency also extends to tool management. The concept introduces an automatic tool rental system that streamlines tool borrowing processes, increases job efficiency, and reduces man-hours spent searching for and tracking tools. Furthermore, the MRO concept introduces a man-less supply system for consumable parts, which helps trace material usage, prevents incorrect usage of materials, and ensures proper tracking of work orders. To maintain a comfortable working environment, particularly for temperature-sensitive tasks like painting and adhesives, the concept incorporates an efficient and environmentally friendly heating and cooling system. Solar panels covering a significant area on the roof harness clean energy from the sun, reducing operational costs and environmental impact. One of the most remarkable achievements is the introduction of digital MRO technology, enabling real-time communication and information access among technicians, engineering offices, and airline engineering departments. In conclusion, this radial space frame structure hangar and green MRO concept is a groundbreaking initiative that not only enhances the efficiency of aircraft maintenance but also embodies environmental sustainability. This innovative approach is set to transform the MRO landscape, providing a more efficient and environmentally friendly solution. Thank you for your attention to this groundbreaking advancement in the aviation industry.